Hey guys, welcome back to Shakir Khan Fitness. If you are already watching this video, that means you are either mom or you are a child who cares for the mom. So in both of the cases, you are at the right place. So today's video is specially dedicated to all those moms out there who are working day in and day out without getting paid for their services, without even getting any leaves and holidays. They are working unconditionally because they love us unconditionally, and that we all agree. Even during the lockdowns, these are the only people who are still working really hard, whereas most of us are not even working. We are living a sedentary lifestyle, but these are the people who are still on their toes. They're really working hard to make us feel good and make us feel comfortable at home. So I salute to all those moms out there, even if they are our mom or if they are our children's mom. These people are really hard working, and in today's video I'm going to show you top 10 yoga exercises which are going to help all you moms relax and feel better physically as well as mentally. So let's get started. Moving on to the first exercise, which is cat camel pose. This exercise we are going to be performing for 1 minute, and rest of the all exercises we are going to be doing for 30 seconds only. So I'm going to be showing the timer somewhere on the screen, so you can follow along the workout with me and enjoy the exercises. So let's get started.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
So in cat and camel pose, you make sure that you inhale when you arch your back and exhale when you curl your back. So this is where you exhale. This is the curling of your back. Inhale, arch your back as much as possible. Again exhale, curl your back as much as possible. Go as slow as possible, don't hurry up. Try to hold each arch for 5 seconds and each curl for 5 seconds. This is going to be very relaxing for your spine. And don't push your hip back. Hip should be above your knee. Drop your head down when you curl. Enjoy the posture. Our next exercise is downward facing dog. As you can see, you need to first place your feet completely flat on the floor. Your heels should be touching the floor. Your arms should be slightly wider than your shoulder. Drop your head down. Keep trying to lock that knee over there so you can get a good stretch. You can feel a good stretch on your spine as well as your hip and your hamstrings. So your entire posterior chain will be getting a good stretch over here. This is child pose, or you can say baby pose. So in this exercise you have to keep your knee wide so that you can get into it and you can touch your body, upper body down on the floor, stretching your entire arms, getting a stretch on your back as well as on your spine. So let's start it. Slowly come up. So now fold your right leg up. Take your left leg down beside your hip. Bring your right leg over your left knee. Pull your knee towards your chest. Sit straight. Bring your left elbow up. Try to rotate. right leg goes down, left leg comes above your right knee. Pull your right knee towards the chest, right hand up, turn towards the left side. Great. Spine is going to feel completely relaxed. Next exercise is called butterfly. Pull your heels as close as possible to your pelvis. Grab your toe from down, chest up, and start pulsing your knee. Remember, feeling good already. Keep smiling. It's really good exercise for your hip flexor muscles and your groins. Now from here, take the same posture, take the same position, just take your feet a little ahead, grab your toe again. Pull yourself down and try to touch your forehead to your toe. And if you can do so, then you can spread your feet wide. Try to put your face between your feet. Alright, I'm feeling so much better. Let's make your legs straight. First, just grab your toe with two of these fingers, like this. You grab your toe. Okay. Now try to walk back with your hip, and then you try to make your legs straight. While walking back with your hip, you try to make your knee straight. And we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds. Go as far as possible. If you hear, no problem. Just hold it there. If you can go ahead, you go ahead. No problem. So you lock your knee there. Pull as much as possible. Remember, this is for relaxing, this is not a workout, this is a relaxing exercise. So don't push yourself too hard, just stay in the magic zone. Feeling so much better. Alright, moving on to the next exercise. Half cobra, one of my favorite exercises. This is really good for your spine as well as your stretching your abdominals. Lie down on the floor. Keep your toe flat. Bring your palm beside your chest. And then slowly go up. Hold it there for 30. In In this position, make sure you keep pushing your chest up and don't shrug your shoulders. Push your shoulders down and chest up and look up towards the ceiling as high as possible. Drop your head back. Hold this position. Amazing. Nice. Turn around and get ready for Pawan Mukta asana, the most relaxing pose. Grab both your legs, grab your elbow. You have to push your hip down, press it down towards the floor. At the same time, crush your knee, avoiding your rib cage. Press it on the sides. Crush it. Push your cervical down, push your spine down. Feeling so relaxed. Last one is Shav. So in this, you just have to lie down completely on the floor, loosen up each and every muscle of your body. Don't think about anything. No thoughts in your brain, no stress in your muscles. Just focus on the breathing. Take deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Alright? 30 seconds. Let's get started. If you wish, you can do it for more than 30 seconds also. It's all up to you. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed the relaxing postures. All the 10 postures were excellent and it was scientifically proven that these are the relaxing postures and these are all my favorite relaxing exercises. So all you moms out there, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, share this video with one more mom. If you are a child, if she's staying with you, make her do this exercise at home. And if she's not staying with you, you can share this link to your mom and ask her to do these relaxing exercises, which is going to help her feel relaxed, not just physically but also mentally. Also share this video link with as many moms as possible, because in today's situation all the moms need these relaxation exercises to be done, if not every day, then at least twice or thrice a week. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon, because I don't want you to miss out on any kind of exercise or motivational or informative videos on my channel. So happy Mother's Day to all of the moms out there. With that being said, I'll take a leave for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.